LagosHouseWife family kitchen. This is another episode in the meal prep series. So a while back I talked about how I used food processor to do my palm kernel oil, as in to peel it and after boiling and all that, and a lot of people were interested in seeing how I did it. So that's what I'm going to do here right now. And I have my palm fruits ready. This has been rinsed. I've rinsed it so it's clean. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add water. Yes, perfect amount of water. Then I will cover it and let it boil till soft. I want it soft to the extent that when I press it like this, I can actually peel it off with my finger. That is when I'll transfer it to my food processor waiting here. So let's leave it to boil. I'm back and my palm fruits are ready. This is it right here. I've actually tested it out. This is what it's very hot, so I don't want to. But anyway, let me just show you. Can you see how easily it is breaking? You just put your finger. That's it. That's the texture I'm looking for. So at this point, please try as much as possible to do this while it is still hot. If it cools down, this thing sharp tends to stiffen. So don't let it stiffen. Drain the water, then we move to the food processor. Okay. I'm going to pour it in. Please note, because it's still hot, I'm going to remove this so that this will act as ventilation. Then we let it go. Let me check it. Yes, can you see that? For those of you who think the seed will grind, no, it will not grind the seed. See that? I'm still noticing some not yet peeled like this, so I'll let it go one more time. It's ready. Okay, remove this. Yeah, so what we'll now do, let me remove the blade. Don't forget it's sharp. Oh, don't try to pack it out with your hands inside. Yes. I'm now going to add a little water. Sorry. This is the part you get up close. Hey, it's still hot though. Let me leave it to cool down a bit. It's really hot. I can't put my finger inside, my hands inside right now. So let it just cool down a bit. Then we'll get to squeezing it. Okay, it has cooled down a bit. It's still warm though, but I think I'm going to have to add a bit more water. This is quite thick. I'm not making a paste. If you are making a paste, no need to add extra water. Okay, so this is what we get doing. Let me sieve this. Let me just show you what is inside. Can you see? So, final one. Yes. Scrape it very well. Then I'll show you what you now do. Make sure you remove chaff from your hands, then come to the bottom and scrape this. Nothing must waste. Yes, so you can see how thick that is. I'm going to pour the chaff inside here and do a second extraction. Then I'll come and show you the first extraction, the second extraction. Just give me a few minutes. Yes, so that is my palm kernel oil. That is how to extract it with your food processor. This is the first extraction, the paste. You can see how thick it is. This is the second extraction. You see it's more liquidy. I'm actually going for a third extraction. Till the chaff turns white, I will not leave it. But yes, so for your banga or your ofe aku, and I'm going to be using it for black soup very soon. And also, I hope you know you can use it for different things. I use it to cook beans, to do egusi, to do efo riro. The taste it gives, it's so different and so unique. Very, very beautiful. Now, let me teach you something else. Let me set the oil aside and show you this. This is the palm fruit. This is the palm kernel inside. So when you break this, this is what is inside. I know many of you know it. You can actually snack on it. It's quite delicious. But apart from that, do you know you can blend it for milk? Yes, like tiger nuts, like coconut milk, like groundnut milk. You can actually use this for palm kernel milk. Very delicious, very rich. It's a plant milk, so healthy. Till next time, Lagos Housewife, as always. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, Lagos Housewife, IGTV, Lagos Housewife, Facebook, Lagos Housewife, on all social media. Ciao. Take care.